morning, lovely people. Here we are, day 2 vlogging, and just up, hence the gorgeous look, and about to start breakfast with the kids. We're planning a lazy day today, and the weather doesn't look too bad, so not sure what we're up to, but I'm sure you will see soon. We are attempting to go out, and I only need to go out to the post office and do a couple of chores, but look, Scottish summer. It is pouring with rain, which is just a nightmare. It is July the 7th, for goodness sake, give us some summer.
Hey guys, so we've just had a lazy day in today, and we're just about to go to the shops because it's literally just stopped to rain. So we hope you enjoy this. Stopped raining. So I hope you enjoy it.
We're actually going to video my sister just now. So let me just do a thing. I just need to go upstairs and yeah.
So we haven't managed to get out at all today. The weather has just been far too horrific. So we've managed a bit of time on the trampoline, but that has been the extent of it today, I'm afraid. So we're just chilling. We do some cleaning and some tidying and just some boring stuff. And the cats have just been fighting actually most of the day. We have my sister-in-law's cat here just now, and they don't really know each other, so they're being a wee bit grisly with each other just over the past couple of days, but we're sure it will get better, won't it, Sweet Pea? Yes, it will. A good idea to have a day in the house, but then the kids just go a wee bit crazy. Or now you're not going crazy. What was all the singing? So we've been cooped up inside all day. So whoops. So we've decided to go out for a wee walk.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd take you with us.
Just out on a lovely walk. It's very peaceful.
It is very peaceful, isn't it? Here, look, if I can turn it round, see the water. So beautiful and peaceful.
Yeah, sorry if you can't hear us because of the water.
It's a bit loud, isn't it?
Yeah.
swimming. I'm taking some time out away from everybody else today and trying to get a bit of exercise done. I am on a mission to lose about 6 pounds in weight, so this is my 3rd time swimming this week, and I've got a month to do it. So I'm off swimming, so I'll see you after my swim, and I'm going to end the vlog here because we've not really got anything else organised for tonight. So hope you've enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you have, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!